Good morning. My name is my name is Janice. October 13th, 2025. Monday morning. Cleansing the energy. I pray that you have everything you need. Love and protection, grace and peace to you, dear soul. This is a general reading for the collective. Take what resonates and please leave the rest. Regardless, you have a glorious day. I just feel when I was meditating and praying, getting ready for the day, and I keep there's so much peace and healing. I just feeling so much peace and healing. What is the message for this beautiful collective right here, right now? Regardless, I pray you really have everything you need, dear soul. Provisions for you, abundance, prosperity, good health, healing, peace, love. What's the message? Let it rain. Let it rain. Allowing what is. Inevitability. Trust. That is, to me, a surrender position here. In all the water and the rainbow, the clouds, let it rain, allowing the inevitable, because like it's inevitable, it's going to happen, so you might as well just, this speaks to me, allow, knowing it's inevitable, it's gonna happen. Inevitability is going to happen. And trust. This, to me, again, is a surrender position. Knowing you trust your higher power. I pray you trust your higher power. This is what's, okay, all right, tell me more, Holy Spirit. Angels, okay. Let it rain, allowing what is. Allowing what is. Inevitability. Trust the process, trust the universe, trust your higher power. It's a yes. Tell me more, Holy Spirit, tell me more. Surrender. Just surrender. Tell me more. Harmony and resolution. Beautiful. Okay, all right, okay, all right. Okay, we're going to clarify these angels with some of these. Oops. Turn around. You want that. Destiny. Okay, all right. Destiny. Right on top of yes. Okay, for one, it's your destiny. It's a yes. Whatever is happening in your life, allowing what is. Inevitability. Trust. It's a yes, destiny. It's destined. Whatever's happening right now in your world, in your life. Oh, this is all goofed up here. How'd this happen? Okay, hang on a second. This just can't be. I got it kind of somehow. Okay, all right, let's do this. What's the message, Holy Spirit? Memories of love. Surrender, memories of love. This is past lives. That's the first thing that came. Memories of love, past lives, love. I know everybody doesn't believe in reincarnation, but in this reading, memories of love, all memories of love, but this is This is tapping into past lives, love, emotional loss. Okay, harmony and resolution. There's emotional loss there. Okay. Harmony and resolution, emotional loss. This person's holding their heart. Emotional loss. Harmony and resolutions is, these are together. So that tells me there's going to be some resolution here, some kind of harmony here. Some kind of outcome is inevitable. Has to do with emotional loss. And it's interesting to me that it almost looks like fire. I mean, you see the green, heart chakra. But this is almost flames. This is passionate. This is whatever this person is in this image here. It shows me intense passion. Whoa, okay. Tell me more, Holy Spirit, tell me more. Thank you. Okay. Material and spiritual prosperity. It's destined for you to have material and spiritual prosperity. Balance. Oh, that's temperance card. That's a temperance card. Balance. Memories of love. Surrender. Memories of love. Balance. Passion ignite. I was just talking about the passion and the. Wow. Okay. All right. Yes. Destiny. Material, spiritual prosperity. That's a yes. That's what. Allow. What is? Allow. It's inevitable. Material and spiritual prosperity. It's inevitable. Trust. Surrender. Memories of love. Whether you believe in reincarnation or not. Memories of love. Balance. Balance. We're dealing with some earth angels here. That speaks to me of a sacredness, a holiness. You are getting spiritual help because your desires are pure and you really, truly desire balance. Look at the sword. Sure, that's some kind of staff, I think. The sword, the cup, the star. Surrender, memories of love, balance. I'm also picking up that you desire balance. That you desire balance, and you will get it. I mean, you're doing it right now. As long as that's your desire and that's what you're praying for and that's what you're aligning with, with your higher power, you will have balance for sure. You won't lose balance. Harmony and resolution, emotional loss, passion ignited. Passion ignited. Looky here. Looky here. Yeah, and to me that looks like a green cup. Again, look at the, this. Oh, we got two here. Balance. Well, emotional loss, memories of love, it has to do with at least one other person in your life because there's emotional loss. Passion ignited. Wow. Okay, tell me more, Holy Spirit. Tell me more. Okay. Have you? Wait. Awareness, awareness. Waiting game, the hourglass. Spiritual strength, spiritual strength. Yeah, I've been feeling like we're having a lot of supernatural peace, supernatural strength, spiritual strength from the inner man. I'm thinking of Danny Harrison, his CD he did a couple, I think it's been a couple of years by now. Inner standing, inner strength, inner standing, inner strength. The waiting game. Surrender. Memories of love, balance, the waiting game, the hourglass. The hourglass itself. There's balance there. Look at the tree of life. The roots, the tree, the waiting game, the waiting game, the waiting game. Oof, okay. Okay, I don't need to be so particular about things. Okay, awareness. Yes, destiny. Material, spiritual, prosperity, awareness. Continue to keep keen awareness of everything. This is a very huge blessing here. This is amazing. This is amazing. What's the blessing? Holy Spirit, angels, ancestors, spirit guides. What's the blessing? Please and thank you for this beautiful soul. This beautiful soul. Okay, you didn't want that. Okay, all right. All right, let's do this again. I had several, but okay, what's the blessing? What's the blessing, Holy Spirit? Thank you. What's the blessing? What's the blessing? A blessing for good work. A blessing for good work. A blessing for good work. Number 18. A blessing to bring you work that offers you opportunity to grow the soul, to create, and to be fulfilled with those who will allow you to develop the talents that lie within you. Whoa. Whoa, blessing for good work. Peace to you, peace to you, peace to you. From my heart to your heart, healing love.